Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a weight loss friendly Starbucks drinks recipes video for you guys. So today I'll be sharing how I like to make my top 3 favorite Starbucks drinks with you guys at home, weight loss friendly, sugar free, and low calorie. I have been loving these drinks at home, you guys, and I love that I can still enjoy my favorite Starbucks drinks at home, low cost, and also weight loss friendly. In this video, I'll be sharing how I like to make a sugar-free, weight loss friendly iced matcha latte. I'll be sharing how I like to make a sugar-free iced caramel macchiato. And lastly, I'll be sharing how I like to make an iced oat latte. Now, before we jump into the video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So to start, I'm going to show you guys how to make my iced oat latte at home, and of course this is Starbucks inspired. So to start, you're going to need some espresso. I'll be using my Nespresso today, and this is the pod that I'll be using. This is the double espresso Chiaro. So I'm just going to brew this in a small cup, and I'll show you guys how I like to assemble the drink. Of course, it's an iced oat latte, so you're going to need some oat milk. For oat milk, I love to use the Silk oat milk, and this is the 0 grams of sugar per serving. So this is the brand that I love. You can get any type of oat milk of your choice. I personally love this one, and I like that this one has no added sugar. So this is what I'll be using, and the very last ingredient you're going to need is of course some ice. So I have some ice right here for all the drinks today, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off by going in with ice. Keeping in mind that the espresso is hot, the ice will melt, so I like to go in with just a little bit extra, and as needed, I'll top it up with more. Next, I'm going to go in with the espresso. And you'll see that the ice is going to come down just a little bit, and then you want to just top it up with your oat milk. I'm going to give it a nice stir, and I want to add just a little bit more milk, and I'm going to add just a little bit more ice just to finish it off. Alright you guys, so this is the final product. This is my version of the Starbucks iced oat latte, made at home, weight loss friendly, sugar free, and low calorie. I absolutely love this drink. It's so delicious. You guys definitely need to try it out. So yeah, this is the first drink. Now let's move on to the next one. So next I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an iced caramel macchiato at home, sugar-free and weight loss friendly. So before weight loss, my go-to drink was the iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks, Cali style. Cali style basically means extra caramel sauce. I used to love that drink so much, and then I stopped drinking it, of course, because I was trying to focus on my health and weight loss. Now, being able to find a way to have this drink sugar-free and weight loss friendly and from the comfort of my own home by saving money, I really have been enjoying this drink a lot, and I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. So for this recipe, you're going to obviously need some espresso, and I'll be using my Nespresso once again, but the espresso that I'll be using for this one is the double espresso Sciro. So honestly, the two that I'm sharing with you guys from the one in the previous recipe and this recipe is interchangeable. It's based on your preference, which flavor you like. I like both, so I use them interchangeably for whatever recipe I'm doing. As long as I have a double espresso pod, I can make the drink. So I thought I would share just a different flavor with you guys that I also really enjoy. So I'll be using this, and I have, of course, my cup to brew my espresso, which I'll show you guys in a second. To flavor the coffee, I'm going to be using some sugar-free vanilla syrup. This is the Torani sugar-free vanilla. I absolutely love Torani. They're an amazing amazing brand. I just got this from Amazon, so definitely check out Amazon, or even your local Home Sense will have a lot of coffee syrups and sugar-free ones as well. So I love to have a coffee syrup, especially vanilla with this one. And of course, you're going to need some caramel sauce. So I am so obsessed with this caramel sauce, you guys. This is the Smucker's sugar-free caramel sauce. So when I came across this, it was life-changing. I do want to tell you guys to keep in mind that it is a little bit high in carbs and calories. So if you are on like a ketogenic diet, just be mindful that you don't want to use too much of this because you might get kicked out of ketosis. But it is pretty good. It's sugar-free, so we love that. It's definitely a better alternative than regular caramel sauce. So you're going to need this as well, and I got this from Amazon too, so you will see that on there. And lastly, you're going to need some ice, which I have just right here, and your preference of milk. So I'll be using just regular milk today, but you can use oat milk, almond milk, whatever milk you prefer for this recipe. Alright, so I'm going to start off with taking some caramel sauce and I'm going to drizzle it all over the cup just for some design, and this is also kind of Cali style, so I like to do that first. Then I like to go in with some of the sugar-free vanilla syrup. I'm just going to eyeball it, but you basically want to go in with 1 to 2 teaspoons based on how sweet you want your drink to be. Next, I'm going to take some ice and put it into the cup. Now I'm gonna go in and add my espresso, and I'm gonna top this up with some milk. And then I'm just going to drizzle some caramel sauce right on top. And there you have it, you guys. This is my version of the iced caramel macchiato from Starbucks. Made at home, sugar-free, low-calorie, weight loss friendly. I'm absolutely obsessed with this drink, you guys. It is so satisfying. It tastes just like a caramel macchiato. You get the satisfaction of drinking that, but you're saving on the calories and the sugars, and it's good for you. So I'm in love. I'm obsessed. You guys definitely need to try this drink out and let me know how you like it. So up next, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make an iced matcha latte at home, sugar-free and weight loss friendly. So for syrup, you're going to need the same sugar-free Torani vanilla syrup, the same one that we used for the iced caramel macchiato. We're gonna use this to sweeten up the matcha latte. And of course, you're going to need some milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Usually I like to use soy milk, but alternatively, you can also use oat milk, regular milk. Today I'll be making it with regular milk. That's what I've been doing, and I really like the taste of it. So that's what I'll be doing today. And of course, you're going to need some matcha. So my favorite matcha of all time is from David's Tea, and this is the Grand Cru matcha. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. David's Tea has a lot of different types of matcha with different flavors and different things added into it, but I like the original on its own with nothing added, just the regular raw matcha, because of course I like to flavor it on my own and I don't really like any added things with it. So I'm just gonna move the glass to the side and bring forward my Ninja Blender cup. And what I like to do to get a nice smooth matcha drink, I like to blend it. That is my secret kind of trick to get that perfect smooth creamy matcha so you don't have any clumps. So what you want to do first is go in with your liquid, because if you go in with your powder first, it's gonna get stuck onto the cup when you're trying to blend it, and you don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is take about 1 cup of regular milk and place that into this cup. Next, I'm gonna go in with my matcha powder. So I'm just gonna open this up. So here is the yummy and delicious powder. You guys can see it's so nice and bright. I absolutely love their matcha. It is the best, and I feel like it's the closest to the Starbucks one. So I definitely recommend this one. I've been having it for years and I love it. So what you wanna do is take about half a teaspoon twice, so basically a full teaspoon, but I don't know why I like to just do it separately because I'm kind of measuring it like how Starbucks does it. So that's about 1 full heaping teaspoon of matcha. And then I'm gonna go in and flavor the matcha with the sugar-free vanilla syrup. Now at this point, this is up to you how sweet you want your drink to be. I like to just eyeball it. I'm gonna go in with about 3 teaspoons since I have a teaspoon, and if not, maybe 1.5 tablespoons otherwise. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3. So that should be enough for me. I don't like it to be too sweet. If you're someone who needs your drink to be more sweet, just add more. This is sugar-free, so it's 0 calories, so just go crazy with it and make it however you like. And then the next step is I'm just gonna put the blade on and I'm going to blend this up. All right, so you guys can see the matcha is looking delicious. We have everything nice and blended together, and the matcha is nice and seamless. It's all smooth and perfectly blended in with the milk. You're not gonna have those clumps. So I love this step. It just makes life so easy. So now I have my glass and I'm gonna add some ice into it. And then I'm gonna open up the matcha and just pour it in. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished product of the Starbucks iced matcha latte, made at home, sugar-free and weight loss friendly. This stuff is delicious, you guys, and it's actually so good for you. It gives you great energy and it's just really tasty. I love this, especially in the summertime. So this is the final drink. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want details on the exact recipe of each drink, make sure to check out the description box down below. I did note everything down for you guys. If you guys end up trying any of the drinks that I shared with you guys today, make sure to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Did you like the drink? And also let me know if you make any Starbucks drinks at home and what your recipe is. I would love to try them out. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.